Hello and welcome to the ISC 11 Maths tutorial. The topic is differentiation of algebraic functions and trigonometric functions. And today we are going to learn how to use UV formula, the product of two functions, in this video. And in the next video, I'll teach you U upon V form. So today, UV form. Before we start, let me start with a quote. Abraham Lincoln says, "I don't like that man. I must get to know him better." और आइए आपको एक शायर की कुछ लाइन सुनाता हूँ. शायर कहता, दोस्त पे करम करना और हिसाब भी रखना, दोस्त पे करम करना और हिसाब भी रखना, कारोबार होता है दोस्ती नहीं होती, कारोबार होता है दोस्ती नहीं होती. खुद चिराग बन के जल, खुद चिराग बन के जल, वक्त के अंधेरे में भीग के उजालों से रोशनी नहीं होती, भीग के उजालों से रोशनी नहीं होती. खेल जिंदगी के तुम खेलते रहो यारो, खेल जिंदगी के तुम खेलते रहो यारो, हार जीत कोई भी आखिरी नहीं होती, हार जीत कोई भी आखिरी नहीं होती. Thank you. Okay, now let's come to the point. First, I'm showing you some important formulas. See on the screen. Look at the screen. Okay, but today we are going to use UV formula, the product of two functions, and the formula is if y is equal to uv, then dy upon dx is equal to first function into derivative of second plus second function into derivative of first. This simple formula we are going to use. Okay, now once again you look at the screen. So look here. The first question is y is equal to x minus 2 into x plus 3. Y is equal to, this is given, function is given, and the question is differentiate with respect to x. Differentiate this function with respect to x. So we are starting like this, let. So we say let y is equal to this. So we have to differentiate this, means we have to differentiate y. That means we want dy upon dx. With respect to x means dx. So dy upon dx we have to find out. Now this you can take as u. This can be taken as u and this can be taken as v. So we are going to apply the formula uv, which I have shown you. The formula is first function into derivative of second plus second function into derivative of first. Okay. So systematically, if you want me to do, so we will write down here on differentiating both sides with respect to x we get. On differentiating both sides with respect to x we get. You write down. On differentiating both sides with respect to x we get. Alright, what do we get? What do we get? So dy upon dx. We get dy upon dx. And this is equal to ddx of this. dx of x minus 2 and x plus 3. Nothing I have done, only I have written ddx on both the sides. ddx of y and ddx of this. Okay. Now the formula is first function into derivative of second. So I am writing that. Into derivative of second. Into ddx of x plus 3. First function into derivative of second plus second function into d dx of first into d dx of first function, which is x minus 2. So x minus 2. First function into differential coefficient of second function plus second function into differential coefficient of first function. And formula you write down please here. Formula you please write down here. Show formula here. You write down since d dx of uv, d dx of uv, u d dx of v plus v d dx of u. You can see the formula I have already given you. Alright. Now this is equal to, then this we can write down so this is equal to x minus 2. Okay, find x minus 2. I am writing x minus 2 and d dx of x is 1. d dx of x, we can apply the formula d dx of x raised to the power n, but that much I am not going to in that much detail I am going to go. d dx of x is 1. Directly you can write down d dx of x is 1. Alright, so d dx of x is 1 and plus d dx of 3 is a constant, so d dx differential coefficient of any constant if it is alone, not associated with any variable. So d dx of any constant alone, 3 is alone. If it is 3x, then we will take 3, we'll keep 3 outside. Alright. So the formula I have given you, please see that formula. d dx of kfx is equal to k d dx of fx. Alright. So that in that case the constant will be kept aside. Its derivative will not be 0. Here it is alone, so d dx of 3 will be 0. So we can write down here 0, d dx of 3 is 0. Okay, fine. Now plus x plus 3. So x plus 3 and d dx of x is 1. Right, d dx of x is 1 and d dx of 2 is 0. Alright, d dx of 2 is 0. And this gives you x minus 2. 1 plus 0 is 1, 1 multiplied by x minus 2 is x minus 2. And here again 1 minus 0 is 1, 1 multiplied by x plus 3 is x plus 3. So we get then here x plus 3. Open it and then you get x plus x is 2x and 3 minus 2 is 1. So 2x plus 1 is the answer. 2x plus 1 is the answer. Got it? So this is the answer. This is the answer. Fine. Now next question. Second question is homework that I told you. Now the third question is x square sine x. Please look at the screen. Question number 3. Okay, the question is let y is equal to. So I can write down here 3. Question number 3 is 3 let y is equal to. Alright. Let y is equal to x square sine x. X square and then sine x. Okay, so dy upon dy. Again we write down on differentiating both sides with respect to x we write down on differentiating both sides with respect to x we get. So we write down dy upon dx. Dy upon dx is equal to d dx of x square and sine x. Nothing, only d dx I have written on both the sides. This operator d dx, differential coefficient with respect to x of y, differential coefficient with respect to x of x square sine x. Again this is of the form uv. No, this is this total, this have a look. This is u, we can take this as u and this we can take as v. This is u and this is v. This you can take as u, this you can take as v. Alright, again first function into derivative of second plus second function into derivative of first. Let's apply the formula. So first function into ddx of second, ddx of sin x, plus second function sin x into ddx of x square, first function into differential coefficient of sin x plus second function which is sin x into differential coefficient of first function. Again you write down the formula here. Please show the formula here. Same formula, ddx of uv formula, please write down here, ddx of uv, dx of uv, this is equal to, please write down here. Okay, after that, and we write down, then we write down ddx of sin x is cos x, formula I have given you, so that is equal to x square, this is equal to x square, derivative of sin x is cos x. Alright, so we write cos x and plus sin x, so plus sin x, and ddx of x square, x raised to the power n formula, ddx of x raised to the power n is equal to n x raised to the power n minus 1. So n is 2, so 2 n and x raised to the power 2 minus 1, that is 1, so that we don't write. N x raised to the power n minus 1, that means 2 minus 1, 2 minus 1 is 1, so that I am not writing. Alright, so then we get x square cos x plus 2x sin x plus 2x sin x, and this is your answer, x square cos x plus 2x sin x. This is your answer. This is your answer. Okay, now question number 4. Look at the board again. Question number 4. Sorry, look at the screen. On the screen I am showing you the question. Question number 4. Differentiate. Already I have shown you this question. Differentiate with respect to x the following function in the beginning, and the function is x cos 2x. This is question number 4. X cos 2x. Question number 4. X cos 2x. X cos 2x. Question number 4. So let y is equal to x cos 2x. This is the question. The question is x cos 2x. Differentiate x cos 2x with respect to x. That's the question. Again, as usual, y is equal to x cos 2x, right? First function, second function, so dy upon dx is equal to, you write down again, on differentiating both sides with respect to x. Please do write down. On differentiating both sides. On differentiating both sides with respect to x, we get, and what we get, that I am writing. So dy upon dx is equal to first function into derivative of second function plus second function first function into derivative of second function plus second function into derivative of first, ddx of x. first function derivative of second plus second function into derivative of first. Again you give formula here, write on the formula, huh? Like we have written in the first two questions. Now this is equal to x, and ddx of cos x is minus sin x. So minus sin x, you write down here minus sin x. Minus sin x. ddx of x is 1. ddx of x is 1. So cos x plus cos x. And this finally gives you minus x sin x plus cos x. Alright. And this is the answer. Minus, this is the answer. Minus x sin x plus cos x is the answer. Oh, sorry, one mistake we made. It's not cos x, it's cos 2x. Okay, so something more we'll get. Wait. It's not cos x, it's cos 2x. So let me write down cos 2x. So this is cos 2x. Good. And here also it is cos 2x. This is cos 2x. Alright. Cos 2x. Now see what changes are going to take place. ddx of cos x is minus sin x. Of course minus sin x. Now minus sin x. ddx of cos x is minus sin x. This we are treating as x. This 2x we are treating as x. Theta. Suppose theta. Alright. So ddx of cos x. This 2x we are treating as x. So ddx of cos x is minus sin x. In place of x we have 2x. Right. But because this is not x, this is 2x. So once again we differentiate 2x. Should I write down? Should I? Okay, let me write down. Wait. Let me write down. So ddx of cos x, this total we are taking as x. ddx of cos x, this we are taking as x. Cos x, this 2x. ddx of cos x, it is not x. We suppose it is x. So ddx of cos x is minus sin x. But this is not x. So once again we differentiate that what we are supposing as x. So we write down therefore ddx of into ddx of into dx of 2x. 2x, because we suppose this 2x as x. So that 2x we are once again differentiating, and this as it is cos 2x. This as it is cos 2x. Fine. Okay. Now ddx of 2x, I told you in one question I told you when constant alone then derivative is 0, but when it is associated, attached with a variable, then we take that constant outside, we keep it aside. So 2 outside and ddx of x. 2 outside and ddx of x, and ddx of x is 1. So 2 into 1 means 2, simply 2. We can write down here 2. So that 2 we can take here, 2x, and minus will also come in the beginning. So minus 2x. Can I write down directly minus 2x? Tell me, yes or no? So minus 2x sin 2x minus 2x sin 2x. This 2 comes here, minus 2x sin 2x plus cos 2x. Plus cos 2x. So this is your answer. Minus 2x sin 2x plus cos 2x. First function, derivative of this is minus 2x sin 2x plus second function cos 2x, and derivative of x is 1. So this is the answer. This is the answer. Hope it is clear. Fine. And question number 5 will be your homework. The question is, differentiate x sin x. Differentiate the function x sin x. Alright. Differentiate the function x sin x. That I have already shown you. All those 6 questions together. There are 6 questions. All those 6 questions I have shown. In the beginning only I showed you. So in that continuation, question number 5 is x sin x. That is the homework. You will start, let y is equal to x sin x, and then you do like I've done. The last question for today, in this video, is question number 6. Ax plus b and cx plus d we have to differentiate. Question number 6. Question number 6. Let y is equal to, you can write down let y is equal to. Let y is equal to, what y is equal to then? Let y is equal to ax plus b and cx plus d. And cx plus d. Yes, cx plus d. Ax plus b and cx plus d. Differentiate. UV form again. So dy upon dx is equal to dy upon dx is the first function into derivative of second cx plus d plus second function into derivative of first ax plus b. First function into derivative of second plus second function into derivative of first, and this is equal to derivative of this. So ddx of cx plus ddx of x, formula I have given you, ddx of u plus v. ddx of u plus v is ddx of u plus ddx of v. Alright, so ddx of cx, now c is a constant, so that will be kept aside, c, and ddx of x is 1. So simply c you are getting, because ddx of d will be 0. D is a constant. So you are getting simply c and ax plus b. So c here and ax plus b. Ax plus b. And here ddx of ax plus ddx of b, like in the case of limit. Alright. Now a will be taken outside, so a outside, and ddx of x will be 1. Fine, and ddx of b will be 0. So here you are getting a, simply a. Alright, so plus cx plus d, cx plus d, and into a. Alright, and that's the answer. This a you can write down here, that's the answer. So this is equal to cax plus b, and plus a here write down, and that only will be the answer. This is the answer. C ax plus b plus a cx plus d. Okay, got it? So this is the answer. This is the answer. Fine. I hope you understood. So 6 questions were there. Out of 6 questions, 4 I solved and 2 I have given you as homework. Please solve it. Okay then. Thank you so much. Thanks.